Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, do you know what is it? Yeah, you guessed it correct. And today is of course coronavirus, so we should wear mask of course. And today you know what I am drawing, coronavirus. It's a little easy, but today we are gonna draw it crayons. And of course, special, huh? So, it is working. This is sticky. Wait. Well, this doesn't look like a coronavirus, but it's okay. Now time for the antennas. This doesn't look like coronavirus. This looks like it will take a little time. It looks like birthday candles. Happy birthday. Does it look like a corona or what? But these look like birthday candles. Happy birthday to you. Draw some tiny more. And you draw some small birds here. This is a tiny bird. Oh, bird. Like that. Even a real coronavirus. If you have ever seen a coronavirus, just check it on my video. So a real one. And of course, looks like we fill the green. Now for this. Yes, we need a dark green. And last, comment down below which one should I choose? Dark green or deep green? Deep green. As we say so, and now we'll use a piece of paper to blend. Well, as we are done, do you want to make some more decorations? I think yes. Okay, but and now we'll not do a decoration. And well, as we finished coloring, and you finish this coloring, or you not, watch it again